Leadership through authenticity is about being true to ourselves, our values, and our beliefs. It is about leading from the heart and inspiring others to follow by our example. Authentic leadership is not about being perfect or having all the answers. It is about being honest and transparent and admitting when we make mistakes. It is about treating others with respect and empathy and building relationships based on trust. When we lead through authenticity, we create a culture of openness and collaboration where everyone's voice is heard and valued. We foster an environment of growth and innovation where people feel empowered to take risks and try new things. Authentic leadership requires self-awareness and a willingness to be vulnerable. It is about acknowledging our strengths and weaknesses and being willing to learn from others. It is about being true to our values, even when it is difficult or unpopular. Leadership through authenticity is a powerful and effective approach to leading others. By being true to ourselves and our values, we can inspire others to follow and create a culture of trust, collaboration, and growth. So if you're looking for someone to really drive this point home, email me at rs@rosannsantos.com or visit my website at rosannsantos.com. And remember, I do it all in English and Espanol. Thank you.